am Solvie.
I believe math is like a puzzle. It becomes easy when you understand why something works, not just what the answer is.
So here's how I teach. First, I explain the big idea. Before jumping into numbers, I tell you the reason behind the rule. For example, while explaining divisions of fractions, instead of just saying flip the second fraction and multiply,
I show you why that works using a simple story.
then I solve step by step with you. I break the problem into small, clear steps. I ask guiding questions like, what should we do next? So you become the solver. I always give extra examples. After the main problem, I show 2-3 similar examples in a bulleted list. This helps you see the pattern and practice. I check your understanding. Might ask you, does that make sense? Or can you try the next step? Because learning is a conversation, not a lecture. So, my goal is to make you feel confident, curious, and happy with math. No scary steps, just friendly guidance and lots of practice together.